Hi guys, welcome to my second video of the series. Speak English every day until I get better at speaking English. So today we have some questions about the topic food and cooking. So the first question is, what does food and cooking mean to you? So firstly, I'm in the puberty period, man. So because of that, I this is a perfect period for me to change, to have huge change physically, about physical. So if I have enough nutrition and a great plan of meals, and I can actually I can actually improve my body and my physical nutrition better. So because of that, food and cooking in this period is kind of important and kind of meaningful for myself now. The second question is, how often do you engage with food and cooking in your life? So, food and cooking. So, I, to be honest, I don't real, I don't, I don't get into cooking because I always eat the meals that my mom prepares for me. But sometimes at midnight, whenever I'm watching some videos on YouTube, when I feel hungry, at the time I will go to the kitchen and I try myself cook something up, and something like noodles or eggs. That's the things that I can only cook, man. I'm I'm sucks at cooking. Yeah, but at least I know how to cook something, and because of that, I I I often enjoy those meals by myself, even though I'm not really good at cooking, but I'm still enjoy cooking and enjoying the food that I've done to my the food that I cook for myself. The third question is, what challenges do you face related to food and cooking? So I can say that maybe I cook really badly, but it doesn't mean that I don't know how to cook. If I watch tutorials and I know the ingredient, I can cook something which is really perfect. But the problem is I don't have money to buy ingredients, and because of that, whenever I feel want to want to cook something to myself to enjoy, it will be really hard because I don't have money. My budget is kind of low to buy the ingredients that I want and to cook the thing that I want to cook. The fourth question is, how has food and cooking changed over time? So because of the improvement of industrialization, so you know that people will have more. Well, I can say that, man. So because of that, people will have high demand for food that they will eat, and for how they cook the food. Because of that, because of the improvement of industrialization, the food, the quality of the food is getting better over the time, and people are getting more delicious and more healthy food to eat. They don't eat the food that they throw outside, and they come and they pick it up and they eat again. No, they don't do that. They have high demand for food that they eat, and a lot of people really care. A lot of people I really care about how the food they eat, and like the nutrition in the food that they have. Really have high demand for the food they eat. Yeah, I mean that. What are your opinions or preferences about food and cooking? So for me, in this generation, a lot of people that they want to exercise to lose weight. They think that they have to exercise more, they have to work more, that they will actually lose a lot of weight. But I think that 70% the effect to lose weight is depend on food and the meals they eat. I really mean that. Because like if you don't eat anything for about 3 days, you will actually lose about 3 kilograms. But if you eat, when you exercise, and during 3 days, you will just lose about 0.5 kilograms. In, you know that food really have a high effect on humans body. So if everyone wants to lose weight or want to do exercise to lose weight, they need to care about how the meals and the food they eat. Because of that, food and cooking is really important. The sixth question is, can you share a memorable experience related to food and cooking? Of course, I remember that I had a friend, and the friend that house's friends is, I mean the friend's house is nearby my house. I often drop by my friend's house and see what are they doing. I mean to see what they are doing. There's one time I dropped by my friend's house. I saw that they were cooking something really delicious. I don't know what they were cooking, but they gave me the food. Just let me try the food, man. And then I tried the food. I feel, wow, this food is kind of great. And I asked my friend, what was the name of the food? I My friend told me that that food was named bánh bột mì. Yeah, I don't know for sure, but I remember that I was watching all the progress that they were making that food. I still remember how to make that food, but then I got straight to my home. I turned the TV up and I watched the tutorial how to make that food. After I watched that video, I then I will go straight up to the grocery nearby my house as well. Then I know first I asked my mom for a little bit of money and I go straight up to the grocery to the yeah. Then I bought ingredients that I need to make that food. Then I got back to my home. I tried to cook that food for the first time in my life. I really cooked something up, and yeah, the result is kind of great. The food is delicious, it's mouth-watering, even though it's kind of fat, but for me it was very delicious. And that was the first time I cooked something, and I still remember about that, and I still admire me that I've tried something for myself to know that I have my own ability. I'm not sucks at everything, but if you try, you will know your real ability. Everyone has their own risk. Everyone has their own start, has their own ignition. And because of that, this is the end of the video. And this is the end of the second video of the series Speak English Every Day Until I Speak English Better. The topic today is food and cooking.